Welcome to the Travel Tour and Dine YouTube channel, your go-to guide for the most thrilling travel experiences and dining recommendations from around the globe. This channel is a celebration of the wanderer's spirit, the thrill of exploring diverse cultures, and a love for discovering unique cuisines. As we take you on a whirlwind tour of the world, we promise to unveil the most exciting activities and gastronomic delights each destination has to offer. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour to the heart of England, revealing the top 5 activities you can't miss out on. Starting at number 5, we have the timeless city of Bath, known for its Roman-built baths. Bath is a gem, rich in history and culture. Its Roman baths, Georgian architecture, and the modern Thermae Bath Spa create a unique blend of old and new. And when it comes to dining, the Olive Tree, Bath's only Michelin-starred restaurant, offers a culinary experience like no other. A city that marries the old and the new, Bath is an absolute must-visit. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the vibrant city of Liverpool. Known for its musical heritage and remarkable architecture, Liverpool is an absolute delight. Don't miss the Beatles Story Museum and make sure to take a stroll along the UNESCO-listed waterfront. For a delectable dining experience, the Art School restaurant, with its innovative British cuisine, is a must-try. With its rich history and lively atmosphere, Liverpool is definitely a stop to make. Next, at number 3, we have the enchanting Lake District. A mesmerizing tapestry of shimmering lakes, craggy hilltops, and verdant valleys, it's a haven for those who crave tranquility and natural beauty. While you're here, don't miss out on the local culinary delights. Visit the charming Drunken Duck Inn, nestled in the heart of the district. Their farm-to-table menu offers sumptuous dishes that will leave your taste buds dancing. For nature lovers and peace seekers, the Lake District is an idyllic escape. Coming in at number 2 is the historic and captivating city of York. Known for its exquisite medieval architecture, York feels like stepping back in time. Wander through the snaking shambles, once a street of butchers, now home to quaint shops and eateries. Don't miss out on Betty's Tea Room, a century-old institution, famous for its traditional English afternoon tea. A city that's steeped in history, York is a destination that fascinates all. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic capital, London, a city that buzzes with life, culture, and history. From the majestic Tower of London to the vibrant streets of Camden Market, there's a story to be told at every corner. And when the day wears on, why not indulge in a classic English afternoon tea at the Ritz? It's a feast for the senses with delicate pastries and the finest teas. London, a city that needs no introduction, is our top pick for an unforgettable English adventure. And there you have it, our top 5 must-visit destinations in England. From the serene landscapes of the Lake District to the bustling streets of London, the historic charm of Bath, the coastal beauty of Cornwall, and the academic allure of Oxford. England is a symphony of diverse experiences, each playing a unique note. We hope you've enjoyed this journey. If you did, we kindly request you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you incredible travel content. Until next time, happy traveling.